Hey y'all, so this banana meets raisin is from Japan, and I'm about to unbox it and try it for the first time ever. My friend bought it from Tokyo, and I saw a lot of people holding their like bag. It's like a yellow bag with this banana and a bow tie with polka dots. So I want to like preserve this wrapper. It's so cute. Let's see how it tastes. Banana and raisins. Pretty interesting combination, right? So yeah, it's this yellow banana color. Turn on some lights. Is that any better? Probably not. Oh, it's pre-packaged. It's a pretty big size. Oh, they have all these other like things that they make there. Looks like a cheesecake. Some jelly stuff. I don't like jelly stuff. Anyhow. Oh, so it comes with 2, 4, 6, 8. Pretty fat. Nice purple. Hence the grapes. Grapes become raisins. Looks pretty toasty. Oops. I don't want to bite into it just in case I don't like it. Ooh, it looks like there's like a airy center with the raisins. I really like the texture of the cookie. It's like a cookie toast banana thing. It's not overly sweet. I don't feel the raisins. It kind of like mushes in together. Good. Not too bad. What is this place called? Tokyo Banana!